Hi guys, today I'm cooking chicken curry with zero oil. So the fresh ingredient, some garlic, onion, chili padi. Chili padi I'm using 6 chili padi and some curry leaf, potatoes and one whole chicken. So first I cut the potato into small cube so that the potato can cook faster. After that, you can slice your onion and garlic. And for the chili padi, I just slice it in the middle. So this will be a dry style, okay? You won't have much gravy. I'm not gonna add in any water later. The chicken will release some of its water. And for the chicken, I'm leaving the skin on, but I'm gonna cut into small pieces. And in the bottom, there's a lot of excess fat. I will remove the excess fat. So just remove as much thick fat that you can find and just leave the skin on so that the skin can release some of its natural oil. So once you are done cutting the chicken, give it a good rinse and heat up your pan and put in your chicken. Make sure the fat facing down so that when the chicken start to shrink and the fat will release its natural oil. So For this dish, we are not using any oil, zero oil. So we use the fat to produce the oil. So after you putting the whole chicken in, then can follow by the garlic, onion, chili padi and the curry leaf. Some of my friends are really surprised that I cook without oil, and they think that the chicken curry won't taste good, but actually it really tastes very nice. It tastes as nice as you using oil. I hope you can give this a try. You will be surprised it tastes about the same as using oil. But in this way, you are eating a more healthy chicken curry. And now you can add in the spice. I'm using jintan putih, roughly about 1.5 tablespoon, and then bunga lawang I'm using 3 pieces, and then some dash of cinnamon powder. Give it a mix first because you want the other skin to get cooked as well, so that it can release some more oil. After that, you can add in kunyit powder, roughly about 1 teaspoon of kunyit powder. And then after that, you can add in the chicken curry powder, roughly about 2 to 3 tablespoons. And then you can add in some black pepper, and then you can add in the salt, roughly about 2 teaspoons of salt. Later you can adjust if it's not enough salt, and then give it a good mix. And then now you can add in some tiram sauce. I'm using Lee Kum Kee brand. Just add in a little bit. And then now you can add in the potato and give it a good mix. If you find the curry powder not enough, you can add in a little bit more curry powder. And then you can lower down the heat and then just cover the lid. Time to time you need to give it a good mix and cover back the lid. And now you give it a taste. If it's not enough salt, then you can add in a little bit more salt. So I'm adding a bit more of salt and a bit more of oyster sauce. You can use any brand of oyster sauce, but I find that Lee Kum Kee brand, it tastes more nicer and it gives the extra kick compared to other brand oyster sauce. And give it a final taste, whether enough seasoning. Alright, it's almost done. So now we need to check the potato whether it's done. Take a spoon and try to cut the potato. If it's able to cut the potato, then it should be okay already. If you plan to have it straight away, then just give it a couple more minutes. But if you are not, then you can just cover the lid, and within 5 minutes the potato will be fully cooked because of the heat, so the potato will still be cooking even when the fire is off. I hope you can try this at home, and thank you for watching.